Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a sword balloon. Today, make this to slide, to swing this, swing, like it. Swing, little baby. Now hit this to here. Now, what will you do? It's kind of boring. Just use it with your arms. Can I try that again? Hope you remember. Remember your things and have a good brain. Learn so many books. And
There's a lot of leaves.
here's the sword. What will you do?
So I use the basket.
This is the sword. Hold it with your arms now. Do it with this finger. Now, slice. Wow. See you later, guys.